Number 1. 1988 Dodge D100, price $5,200, with just 55,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 3.9L V6 engine, it delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience, complemented by an automatic transmission that shifts effortlessly. This two-wheel drive truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. It sits on 15 Kragar steel wheels wrapped in brand new tires, enhancing both its style and performance on the road. Despite its age, the truck runs exceptionally well and makes for a great cruiser, whether for daily driving or weekend enjoyment. The air conditioning system is currently non-functional due to a missing compressor, but other key components are in good working condition. Operating on gasoline, the D100 is a dependable and classic piece of automotive history. With a clean title and road-ready status, this vintage truck is an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts. Number 2. 1972 Chevrolet Ff150, price $7,500. This is a classic truck that combines power and style with its black exterior and matching black interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive, and is powered by a 350 small block engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission. The truck runs and drives well with no mechanical issues, providing a strong and reliable performance. However, it will require a new set of tires and some body restoration to bring it back to its full potential. The mileage shown on the odometer is not original, as the engine has been replaced. Despite these minor needs, the Chevrolet Ff150 remains a solid and dependable classic, perfect for enthusiasts looking for a restoration project or simply a vintage truck to enjoy on the road. Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet Ff150, price $9,500. This is a solid and well-maintained truck, featuring a short bed Silverado with a 350 engine and an automatic transmission. It comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. The truck runs well and can be driven as is or restored to its full potential. It has a rebuilt 350 turbo transmission with supporting paperwork, ensuring reliability. The 20-inch wheels are fitted with good tires, adding to its sturdy and stylish presence on the road. With no rust in a clean, clear title, this Chevrolet Ff150 stands as a great option for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck powered by a gasoline engine. Number 4. 1990 Ford F150, price $7,500, equipped with a 5.0L V8 EFI engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 4x4 capability, making it a solid choice for both on-road and off-road driving. It features an independent suspension for enhanced handling and comfort, along with a dual gas tank, providing extended range and convenience for long trips. The exterior is finished in gray, giving it a bold and rugged appearance, while the interior boasts a blue color scheme, maintaining the truck's classic charm. Running on gasoline, this F150 is designed for reliability and performance. This truck comes with a clean title, though a lien must be applied for, and has successfully passed the smog check on February 17, 2025. Ensuring it meets emission standards. There are no check engine lights, and it runs like new, reflecting the care and maintenance it has received. Several key components have been recently serviced or replaced, including a new interstate battery, fresh oil change, new fuel filter, new air filter, new antifreeze, new thermostat, and new spark plugs. With its sturdy build, manual transmission, and well-maintained condition. Number 5. 2000 GMC Sierra 2500. Price $4,850. This is a well-maintained classic truck with a clean title. With 215,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle remains a reliable option for those in need of a sturdy and capable pickup. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a striking blue color, while the interior is designed in a beige tone, offering a comfortable and stylish cabin. This truck comfortably seats 5 passengers and is equipped with both air conditioning and heating, ensuring a pleasant ride in any weather. It also comes with good tires for dependable traction and a hitch for towing needs, making it a practical choice for work or everyday driving. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $7,300, equipped with a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The truck is in running and driving condition, with the engine performing excellently. It has no rust and has been upgraded with a Beltec 2/4 lowering kit, headers, and a full exhaust system, enhancing both its stance and performance. Additionally, the truck comes with a box full of parts, including a brand new front grille with HID headlights and a BM floor shifter, which add to its customization potential. The exterior and interior are both finished in sleek black, giving it a bold and uniform appearance. Running on gasoline, the C10 retains its classic appeal while offering a solid foundation for further restoration or modification. However, due to time constraints, the owner has been unable to complete the project, making it an excellent opportunity for an enthusiast looking to take it to the next level. Number 7. 1979 Ford F100, price $6,500. It features a modified 302 engine equipped with a performance camshaft, a 4-barrel carburetor, and headers, enhancing both power and performance. Originally equipped with an automatic transmission, it has been converted to a manual, making it an exciting choice for those who enjoy a more engaging driving experience. The truck runs and drives well, capable of taking its next owner anywhere with confidence. With 88,000 miles on the odometer, this F100 remains in good mechanical condition. It sports a striking red exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. Running on gasoline, it retains the classic V8 sound and feel that enthusiasts appreciate. Additionally, it has already been lowered, adding to its aggressive stance. While the truck is mechanically solid, it does require some paintwork to reach its full potential. Number 8. 1987 Ford F150, price $6,500, with 290,000 miles on the odometer. It features a tan exterior and matching tan interior, powered by a reliable inline-6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and shifts great, with numerous new parts recently installed, including headlights, a water pump, a brake booster, a master cylinder, spark plugs, rear brakes, a windshield wiper motor, a fuel tank, a fuel pump, a battery, a power steering pump, and front rotors. Additionally, it comes equipped with dual exhaust, all 4 new shocks, and new rear tires, ensuring a solid and dependable driving experience. Fueled by gasoline, this classic F-150 remains a strong and capable truck. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet Ff150, price $7,500, with 125,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and stands out with its sleek gray exterior, complemented by a bold red interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 350 engine paired with a freshly rebuilt TH350 transmission, ensuring reliable performance. This 4x4 truck is equipped with 32-inch tires and a 2-inch body lift, giving it an aggressive stance and improved off-road capability. It also features an NP205 transfer case, known for its durability, and an Edelbrock electric fuel pump for smooth and efficient fuel delivery. The chassis has been coated with PR15, providing enhanced protection against rust and corrosion. To add a modern touch, the truck is fitted with an Intellitronics digital gauge cluster, offering precise and easy-to-read instrumentation. Number 10. 1997 Ford F250, price $7,500, with 125,000 original miles, features a strong 460 fuel-injected engine and an automatic transmission. While the oil pan gasket has a minor leak, a new oil pan, pump, gasket, and rear main seal are included but not yet installed. The transmission was rebuilt a year ago with a shift kit and Quick 2 standalone programmer. Recent upgrades include new brakes, rotors, calipers, drums, brake cylinders, hoses, tires, a front bumper, and a tailgate, still in the box. With a green exterior, gray interior, and gasoline engine, this truck has rust-free box and fenders from an Arizona donor vehicle, though the cap corners show slight rust. New weather stripping has been added, and the truck remains a solid, well-maintained option.